My warm greetings to the whole African archivist community. My name is Mashia Habiatu. I'm an archivist and records manager and member of the Cameroon Archivist Association. It is a pleasure for me for this opportunity you have given to talk about archives in Africa. I really congratulate you for this initiative you took. It is very important for us to talk about our situation, the realities in our continent, in order to see how we can change, how we can find solutions to solve the problems that are ours. So, I used to say that we are blessed. Really, our continent is a blessed continent because we have a very huge and important cultural heritage that even attracts the European continent that really want to be involved in all that concerns Africa. That is why we Africans, we really have to take our time to really have also interest in this cultural heritage in order to preserve and conserve it for the future generations as others did for us. That is why our archives are really important. That's why we're here to take time, even spend money in order to manage and keep these documents. And it is in this view that us here in Cameroon, our National Archives, in collaboration with the Ministry of Culture, have launched a project to renovate the building that is keeping our National Archives now, and even to build another building that will be really adequate for the conservation and the preservation of these vital documents, because the building that we have now is a building that is dating far from the colonial period and is not really that adequate for the conservation of our documents. And I really congratulate the director of our National Archives that is really doing all she can to change the way people view our archives and to change even the management of these archives. And also the Cameroonian Archivist Association is really battling to change the situation of archivists in our country, because many of our managers don't really see the importance of archivists, and they do not even see also the importance of archives, or they don't just want to take time to consider these questions. It's true, when we try to see into it generally, many of our enterprise have really done much insofar as the management of archives is concerned. Many years in the course of my work, I've seen many that have a very, very well organized physical archive system and a very well organized electronic archive system that is really very well in place, and where you will find even the digitalization of procedures, where even their users are feeling the impacts of this electronic management. But however, when we try to look critically in the situation, we really realize that many of our enterprise are still back behind. Yes, it's true, we are in the 21st century and all is about digitalization, electronic management, JED. But that's not why we are going just to jump into it like that. We are Africans. We keep our archives not only for historical reasons, no. We also keep them because they are vital for good governance. Our managers do rely onto these archives to take good decisions, because the archives relate of our genesis, of our past, of our present, and are going to determine our future. So they are also important for our government, and that is why we call on our government to really take this into consideration. People are in our country. I will take you just a case of one enterprise where to look one document, you can make 4 months. But when you hear the manager talking, he's telling you about how he wants to digitalize his archives. He wants an electronic management of his archives, that now the tendency is digitalization and electronic management, and that's what he wants. But when you try to do a stock taking of his enterprise, you realize that even the fiscal records management is not. In fact, his repository is just a place where they keep documents without any organization. Where you, in fact, if they ask you to enter inside to find a document, you will even start crying because you don't know where you are going to start. But they are making big conference and talking about electronic management because they are letting themselves be seduced by these IT managers that present themselves as archivists. Yes, computer science is a tool of archive management. That's not why IT managers are archivists. No. IT managers are not archivists. I am an archivist. You people are archivists. You have knowledge in computer. You have computer knowledge. You master many archive management software. But that's not why you are going to present yourself as IT managers. No. These IT people should stop fooling our managers about all these things. For me, for us to meet with others that are already far in the electronic management, we first of all have to calm down and ask ourselves this question: what is the situation of my physical archives? How are my documents conserved? How are they organized? Do I have an archival policy in my enterprise? Do I have archival procedures in my enterprise? Do all the departments of my enterprise know about these procedures? Are they respected? Do I have a retention schedule? Do I have a master file plan? And most of all, do I have an archivist in my enterprise? Yes. Do I have an archivist in my enterprise? If you get a positive answer to these questions, you can already have 6/10. Yes, may I give you already 6/10, because the electronic archives will gradually come in and will easily come in. We should not be rushing for nothing. We have to realize what is our real needs. If you know your needs, you are going to satisfy them. You should not just jump into electronic management because the tendency now is electronic management. No. My own point of view is that we should go gradually. Let us calm down and analyze our real situation objectively. Be honest with ourselves. If we do that, we are going to know what is really necessary for us now, and step by step, we are going to reach where we want to reach. That's my own point of view. And I think we are really, the whole archivist community, we are really working to do that, to change the mentality. And if we continue like that, if we continue working hard, I think we are going to succeed, because I'm sure the past 10 years, people were not even talking about archives like now. Even our managers, they were not as concerned as they are now. Even if what they are doing is not really what should be done, at least mentality are changing, and we still have to work hard to change it. I really appreciate, and I thank everybody for the opportunity given to me. And I think, if, as I said before, if we continue working hard like that, Africa will really emerge. Yes, we are going to. I'm sure we can even be more than those European countries. They have not done magic to reach there, I'm sure. Okay, I'll stop here, and I say thank you to everybody, and I wish you a very joyful and happy Archives Week and Archive Day. Thank you.